Hello. To turn off ads on the Redmi Note 14, first of all we have to go into the app drawer, and there are ads available in the two applications, and these are Themes application and the File Manager. And first of all I will show you how to turn off these ads on the Themes application, so we simply go in here. And sometimes as we are navigating through the application, there is the chance that there is the ad appearing somewhere, so simply to turn it off we have to go into the My Account right here, go into the settings on the top right corner, and right here this option to show ads. I previously disabled this option since the ads are really annoying while navigating through this application, so I turned them off, but right here there is this switch to show ads. You simply have to disable it, and right now there will be no ads available right there in this application. And the next application right here is the File Manager, and what we have to do is to press on the File Manager, and now we have to go into the menu, press and hold on this File Manager and go into the settings in the menu, and right here as we disable notifications there is a chance, as we have to disable these notifications right here, and there is a chance that in some cases it actually works in some phones, in some cases that there will be no ads in this File Manager application, but sometimes it is not really working. As you can see in my case it's not working, but sometimes in some cases it does work. There is this option to do this, and actually you can also try going to the settings again, and you can disable the connection method from the mobile data. You can simply unselect it, press OK, and yeah, you can disable the mobile data, the connection method for this application, and you can try it also. Maybe it would work, but I do not actually give 100% guarantee. I do not guarantee 100% that it might work, because it works only in some cases. And at this point it is actually better to use the Google Files application, which is basically a Google version of the File Manager, and you can also manage all of the files that you have right here, and you can also find the trash category, catalog right here. So yeah, basically that's it. That's how to turn off the ads on the Redmi Note 14. Thank you for watching.